Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies were collapsing in price after a major crypto lender halted all withdrawals, citing extreme market conditions. It is the second collapse of a part of the cryptocurrency world in the last 2 months. India and other Asian nations are becoming an increasingly vital source of oil revenues for Moscow, despite strong pressure from the US not to increase their purchases, as the European Union and other allies cut off energy imports from Russia in line with sanctions over its war on Ukraine. World stocks fell towards fresh 2022 lows, and the Japanese yen slid to levels not seen in nearly a quarter of a century, as red-hot US inflation fueled worries about even more aggressive policy tightening in a big week for central banks. The oil-dollar pair rose 1.6% in the last session, after gaining as much as 2.8% during the session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the pound drop 0.8% against the dollar. The Williams indicator indicates an oversold market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 11.2% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The gold-dollar pair dove 2.6% in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The Eurozone's ZEW survey, Economic Sentiment, will be released at 0900 hours GMT. The US Producer Price Index at 12:30 GMT. Japan's industrial production at 0430 GMT. The UK's claimant count change will be released at 0600 hours GMT. The UK's ILO unemployment rate at 0600 hours GMT. Japan's capacity utilisation at 0430 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.